Welcome to the Thomas Index Report for the week of November 1st. Last month, we shared our predictions for industrial products and services that we anticipated would see surges in sourcing activity during Q4. One of those products was LED lights. On the thomasnet.com platform, demand for LEDs, which stands for light-emitting diodes, is currently up 605% year over year and is up 480% over last quarter averages. Considering that LEDs are up to 90% more energy efficient than standard incandescent light bulbs and offer a much longer lifespan compared to traditional bulbs, it's no surprise to see their surging popularity across the industrial sector right now. With the vast size of many industrial facilities and warehouses, lighting such a large area can get very expensive, but switching from incandescent to LED lights can deliver substantial savings for industrial businesses. These lights are also often referred to as instant-on lights because they are immediately at full strength when turned on, rather than needing time to warm up to their full strength like typical bulbs. The U.S. Department of Energy estimates that while only 12% of the industrial sector was utilizing LED lighting in 2017, that figure is projected to reach 63% in 2025 and 90% by 2035. Fun fact, the energy savings from those lighting installations could reach 569 terawatt hours annually by 2025, which is equivalent to the energy produced by more than 92 power plants. I'm Sean Fitzgerald, and this is the Thomas Index Report.